to show you today some problems that can occur in dryers. Just come on over here, let me show you. So the report we had today is that it wasn't accepting money. So this takes tokens, dollars, and quarters. And so I'm going to put the quarter in, accept it. I'm going to put the token in, and it didn't accept it, and the dollar didn't either. So obviously there's something wrong in this drop that's making that malfunction. So we're going to take it apart and take a look at it. Okay, so underneath here we have the sensor, and the sensor just lifts right out. See, there's a little hole here that goes in, there's a little protrusion here, and there's one on the bottom too. So sometimes it needs a little help. But it just comes right out. Now we look down in there and we see the culprit here. There's lint that is built up in there, and it's actually blocking the exit area so it can't get into the sensor. So we're going to take this lint out, as you can see that, and now the coins can come through. So another area that needs to be cleaned here is inside this sensor. There's actually two emitters in here that go out to here and here. So when it's shining from here to here, if it gets dirty here or dirty over here, you just need to get a Q-tip with the water on it and clean the inside of both sides of here, the inside of both sides of here. And so this is just a typical, this is, as you can see here, this is a 2014, one of 2014. So this is 5.5 years old, and that's probably 5.5 years worth of lint stuck in it. And I'll show you another area back here. There's usually some lint behind here. As you can see, the lint just gets everywhere. This isn't bad. I've had it to where it's completely filled up in there, sandwiched everywhere. And typically it's 4 or 5 years is when you need to go in and clean these like this. Anytime it doesn't see it on the sensor, obviously you need to clean the sensor if it's not sensing the coin. But that is it today for our sensor cleaning. And any questions, you can just call us or email us at info@imonex.com, or just go to our website. We have all the information on there. Thank you very much.